Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to hold a ukulele. So usually I use like the side of my elbow, then I pinch my this part of the ukulele against my stomach. So then I kind of have to hold it with my left hand. You know, even when I'm switching chords like C chord, E minor. You know, if I let it go, if I let my left hand go, you're gonna drop. Okay, this is the downside, the disadvantage of playing without a strap. So I have to constantly give a better view here. So let me show you. So I have to, even when I'm switching chords, my left hand cannot let go. If I let go, my left hand is gonna drop. So recently I'm using this kind of strap. Okay, so I'm gonna hook it. Okay, then I just go through the loop. Okay, like on my shoulder. Okay, easy. So right now I'm still using my elbow to pinch the ukulele against my stomach. You can pinch it like right here or right here or right here. Depends on where you strum your uke. Okay. But right now, I don't have to use my left hand to support it. That's the advantage. That's one good thing about using this kind of strap. Or I don't have cause there's no strap pin here, so I need to get it inserted a strap pin holes, right? So I don't have it here, so I'm using this kind of strap. Okay, using straps can help you hold your ukulele better. The reason is you don't have to use your left hand to support the ukulele, because I'm using the strap to support it, but I'm still using side of my right elbow to pinch my ukulele against my stomach, so to keep it from dropping. So right now I can play it easily. See, easy to play. Okay, basically. So I recommend getting a strap, see if it helps you play ukulele better, more easily. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.